I think it's been quite interesting in looking at how global market participants have looked at some of the policy initiatives out of China, and in some cases have been a bit critical. I look at it a bit differently. I think the underlying issues that I think the Chinese regulators are getting at are actually quite consistent with some of the things that are going on in other developed markets, whether it be US or Europe. So if you think about data privacy is a very hot topic, right? So I welcome the Chinese government, as I do some of the regulatory initiatives out of Europe or in the US around protecting consumer data privacy. It's a very important issue. Anti-competitive practices of big tech, right? That's a very hot topic in the US. As you think about the effects of Amazon or Facebook or other very large dominant technology companies and the impacts there are for smaller startups. We'll see how how things evolve over the course of the next number of years, but I think those changes are very consistent. I think some in the West are not used to some of the abruptness of those changes, and I think that took people by maybe a little bit of surprise. But again, the underlying foundation is quite consistent. We view China as it's one of the largest economies in the world. It's a huge equity market. We want to give our clients access to the innovative, growing companies that exist in the Chinese equity markets. Our team in China on the ground in Shanghai is definitely seeing interesting opportunities and are beginning to rebuild positions in companies they want to expand and have larger presence in because of some of the market pullback that we saw over the course of the last couple of months.